We are going to see how to separate special characters from a given string in Java. Now my requirement is, let's say I have a string str equal to, let's say, test. And so we have some numbers, and let's say we have some special characters and some alphabets and some special characters and some numbers. So this is my string, and what I have to do is I have to find what are the special characters and store them in a string. So that is my requirement. Now what I have to do, now there are multiple approaches. You can either convert into a character array and do it. The better approach would be use regex patterns. So I would like to use a regex pattern which will match only the special characters, and we'll try what we can do with the existing split function or a method that is there inside the string class. Okay, so what I have to do is I will try to write str.split, and if you see here, the split method will accept a regex pattern. So this is going to be my regex pattern. So I have to write regex pattern over here. Now what I have to do is I have to split based on what is not special characters, guys, right? For example, what is not special characters here is alphabets, both capital letter and small letters, and also I don't want any numbers in it, right? So if every time, if you see in a string class, every time you see a character which is either a small letter alphabet or a capital letter alphabet or 0 to 9, it is going to split it. Alright, now that will leave out only the special characters that are there in the string, right? So we'll see how it works. So this will return a string array. So let me write it as a string array. So string array, let's say str array. Yeah. Now this is how it is right now, right? So let me name it properly, string array. Yeah. So this is how it is right now. Now if you wanted to separate the special characters, and this is what we can use. Okay, so let me try to first print out how it is going to look like, right? So okay, so basically I'm just printing out the array, guys. So let's see how it is going to work. So these are the changes that we have. Yeah. So if you see here, right, every time split happens, it is adding the space, guys, an empty string basically. Now the way to do it is we have to apply a filter on this top of this particular string, guys. So we are getting what we wanted, but we are also getting additional empty strings which we do not want. So I have to figure out a way to filter out all the empty strings. Okay, so let me put a condition: if string array of I is empty. So I have to filter only if it is not empty, so I put a negation over here. Let me try now. Let me run it as a Java application and we will see what is the update. Now if you see here, we have two string elements. Let me use println and we can run it now. Yeah. Now if you see here, what is the resultant string? This is the resultant string what we printed right now. It only have only special characters. We completely eliminated, guys. Now what if the ask is only to filter out special characters and we should print only the alphabets and numbers? Very easy, guys. Go to this regex pattern and just put this particular symbol which will negate the entire regex pattern. So it will, what this means is, if the pattern is not this, you just have to split out. What is not this? The only special characters, right? If it is not alphabet or A to Z, then only you do the split. That means there is no split at T, there is no split at E, there is no split at T, again there is no split at T, and only split happens whenever it encounters these special characters. So in this way, split only happens during special characters, and those will be eliminated from your string. So now let us see what is the printed output, guys. Now as you can see, we just printed out the string without any special characters, guys. So this is the working functionality of how to separate special characters. Now if you want to separate only numbers, then you can have the regex pattern over here changed, guys. For example, if you only want numbers, you can do something like this. Okay, so let me try to print out what is being printed now. Now if you see, we have completely eliminated the numbers. Let's say we only want numbers, then just put this particular arrow mark symbol over here and then try to run it, guys. Now we will only get 0 to 9. Now I think you might have understood what is the functionality of this one, the regex pattern right now. This will help in solving all your interview questions based on regex patterns, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.